And so one of the things that we are very excited today is the announcement of Meta's Llama 2 coming to both Azure.
Imagine a world where AI isn't just about coded algorithms. It's about uncensored creativity, open source revolutions, and groundbreaking breakthroughs. Get ready to dive into the captivating stories that have emerged in the realm of artificial intelligence in the past week. From Meta's open source triumphs to the uncensored potential of Llama 2. From Meta's open source triumphs to the uncensored potential of Llama 2, we're about to take you on a whirlwind journey through AI news you probably missed. Welcome back to Technologist, in a landscape where innovation knows no bounds. AI continues to redefine our world. Join us as we explore the latest news and developments that are shaping the course of artificial intelligence. From Meta's strides in open source AI to uncensored creativity and groundbreaking discoveries, this is AI news you probably missed. Kicking off our journey is Meta AI's groundbreaking commitment to open source AI. Meta, the tech giant behind major social networks, is pushing the envelope with innovations like Llama 2. Discover how these strides are reshaping user engagement and redefining the AI landscape. Our exploration continues with the evolution of Llama 2's uncensored versions. Witness how AI models flourish when granted creative freedom. Delve into the differences between censored and uncensored models, unveiling a world of transformative expression. However, Meta's open source journey isn't without its debates. We delve into the evolving concept of open source in AI, as the Open Source Initiative questions the true nature of Meta's offerings. This discussion ignites a broader conversation about the balance between openness and restrictions in AI. Venturing beyond Meta, AI's influence touches every aspect of our lives. From YouTube's AI-driven video summarization, Stack Overflow's Overflow AI, and even AI-generated influencers in the fashion industry, we witness the transformative potential of AI in everyday scenarios. Amid the AI buzz, a game-changing story emerges, a breakthrough in superconductivity. LK99, a material capable of room temperature superconductivity, is set to redefine technology. Explore its implications, from revolutionizing batteries to propelling spacecraft. In this whirlwind tour through the AI landscape, we've seen how AI narratives span open source revolutions, uncensored creativity, and superconductivity breakthroughs. As we embrace the ever-evolving horizon of AI, we're reminded that progress isn't just about technology. It's about curiosity, critical thinking, and boundless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest AI news. If you're as captivated by AI's boundless potential as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay curious as we navigate the ever-changing terrain of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep exploring the cutting-edge world of AI with Technologist.